If YouTube videos are not playing in Chrome, showing a black screen, freezing, or loading without sound, this video will walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. We'll cover Chrome graphics acceleration, extensions and ad blockers, clearing site data, and resetting Chrome flags so you can get videos playing normally again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get started. First, let's check Chrome's graphics acceleration because this is one of the most common reasons YouTube video playback breaks. Sometimes your computer's graphics card can conflict with Chrome's video rendering engine, which can cause videos to fail to load or show a black screen while the audio still plays. To fix that, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome and open Settings. In the left sidebar, click System. Now look for the setting called Use Graphics Acceleration when available, or sometimes Hardware Acceleration depending on your version of Chrome. If it is turned on, switch it off. If it is already off, try turning it on instead because either setting can solve the problem depending on your device. After changing it, click the blue Relaunch button that appears so Chrome restarts with the new setting. If YouTube still is not playing properly, the next thing to check is your extensions, especially ad blockers and script filters. These can interfere with YouTube's updated video player and sometimes stop playback completely. A fast way to test this is by opening an Incognito window. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+N. On Mac, press Command+Shift+N. Then go to YouTube and try playing a video. If the video works normally in incognito mode, that usually means one of your extensions is causing the issue. To find the problem extension, click the three dots in Chrome, hover over Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. From there, toggle off your extensions one by one and test YouTube after each change until you find the one causing the conflict. Once you identify it, you can leave it disabled or remove it completely. Now let's clear YouTube's local cache and site data. Over time, corrupted cookies or cached files can cause strange playback problems, especially if YouTube updated while old data is still saved in your browser. To clear it, press Ctrl+Shift+Delete on Windows or Command+Shift+Delete on Mac. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to all time, then check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. You can leave browsing history unchecked if you want. After that, click Delete Data or Clear Data, then close and reopen Chrome before trying YouTube again. This step often fixes loading issues that seem random or permanent. If none of that works, the final fix is to reset Chrome's internal flags. If you have ever changed advanced settings, experimental features, or hidden browser behavior, one of those flags may be interfering with video playback. To reset them, type Chrome://flags into the Chrome address bar and press Enter. At the top right, click Reset All. Then click the blue Relaunch button at the bottom right so Chrome opens again with its default stable settings. This can remove hidden conflicts and restore normal YouTube playback. Once you finish these steps, test YouTube again in Chrome. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the issue and get your videos playing normally. If the first fix does not work, move to the next one in order because each step targets a different cause of the problem. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.